Now, recently, we've made a lot of changes to the R1, subtle little things. They've all added up to be that I have gotten renewed interest in riding and working on the R1. And we're coming up on some more modifications very soon. But the biggest one, the biggest by far, was adding the quick shifter, the Heel Tech quick shifter. Guy installed it, and since he's installed it, I've had so much fun fine-tuning it to my little riding style. It is adjustable. I put that on previous videos, but we're going to go out today and just ride around and enjoy that quick shifter. It has changed the whole bike, the way I enjoy riding it, and this is a nice time of the year to be out there. It's a little chilly in the morning, still a few flowers, still a few orange leaves on the trees, and we're going to head up into the lake area and enjoy that quick shifter and enjoy this great R1. Now, one of the things I've always enjoyed about all the bikes in my collection is when I get them, doing all the little mods and making changes and things that I want to do to make it my own, things that I want to do to make it fit me ergonomically and fit my riding style. Now, because I'm 80 years old, I have to adjust a lot of things to make them perfect, where maybe a younger person could just get away with something that's a little uncomfortable or something that wasn't just the way you want. But I've spent countless hours getting the suspension the way I want it, getting the tires the way I want them, and I'm so happy that I'm coming up on putting a new rear tire on this bike. I already have the tire. It's a Michelin 6. I got the front Michelin 6 on there already, and I've got them on other bikes. I know they really perform well for me. The radar detector, I made a special bracket. It's on a previous video of how to make it so that it would be more forward, because when I changed to the Renthal bars, I wanted to be able to lean a little more forward. It's somewhere in between clip-ons and in between the handlebars that were on there from a GS, but having everything adjustable and having everything that it just suits me. I made that tailpiece from scratch. It's not a part that's available anywhere that I know of anyway. And getting the mirrors exactly the way I want them. Now, some people don't care. They like looking at their shoulders or their zippers or something. I'm fussy about every little thing. And the problem is, now I've had this bike 17 years, over 39,000 miles. 39,000. In fact, we just had the 39,000 mile oil change. Every part of it, I've taken the time to make it my own, make it comfortable, make it do exactly what I would like it to do, and fit me ergonomically. But not only that, the number one thing, make it a ton of fun to ride. it's hard for me to explain to some of my friends that ride less often. I try to ride almost every day, and I try to ride when it's a little bit too cold and when it's a little bit too hot. So I get a lot of mileage on the bikes. I have 9 bikes in the collection, 7 registered. And of the 7 that are registered, it seems like every once in a while I get wrapped up in working on one and riding one. And that's what's happened in the past month or two, is I've been riding this bike almost every day. And in fact, Guy commented, he said, "Oh, since I did the quick shifter, you fell back in love with the R1." Well, maybe he's right. At between the MT-09 and this bike, I do get a lot of mileage on the bikes. And I try to, well, I guess videotape some of the rides or videotape some of the fun. Even when we have rides, we go on group rides or rides when I'm all by myself here like today. But no matter what I think is special is I'm able to share this with my friends on YouTube. Hopefully you're one of them. And we share the comments on the video that almost all are positive. And there's always somebody who's not really happy for whatever reason. Maybe they need a new girlfriend or something, I don't know. But this bike has become just special to me over the 17 years I've owned it. And that quick shifter, just the cherry on a sundae. And as I've suggested to Guy, I wish I did it years ago. And well, I don't know what to say. For anybody that's never had a quick shifter on a bike, never experienced it, it's something you don't think it's going to be that much fun until the road opens up in front of you. I don't know how else to explain it. I guess there's a little bit of a hooligan still left in me at 80 years old, but I really enjoy that quick shifter. Any of my friends that have ever ridden this bike, the first comment they have is, "Wow, that engine is just to die for." And it is. It has got great low end torque. It's got a very unique, one of a kind sound. Doesn't sound like the FCR that I own. Doesn't sound like anything. It's a crossplane, and it's got a unique feel, the way it has the power curve, and I don't know how to explain it. Other than at about 10,000, the velocity stacks come off the injectors, and it's like dual quads kicked in. Anybody ever had an old 55 Chevy with dual quads, you'll know what that is. Anyway, it's got a unique power band, a unique sound. I've had it since it's new, and every one of those 39,000 miles has been fun. It's been something I can't explain in easily or conveniently, but All you need to do is throw a leg over this and go through the gears when the road is open in front of you, and you'll know what I meant. There you have it, a 17-year-old R1, 39,000 miles, and a quick shifter that's just so much fun, and I have enjoyed every minute of going through the gears. Now, if you're new to our channel, we have a very, very eclectic channel. One of the new features we have now is some of the videos are grouped into groups that you can access all the videos for one category in one mouse click, and it should be very convenient and very handy. Just check out the feature on the main screen playlist. And thanks to everybody for supporting the channel. We appreciate your support, and it makes this channel possible with all the things we do, the painting, the wheels, the polishing. And please take a second or two and hit the like button. And thanks everyone for watching.